Hello everyone, and welcome to the SIMmetry tutorial series. This tutorial on terrain profile will provide you with the steps to conduct analysis on the terrain by creating a profile along a selected area. The terrain profile tool displays elevation, including maximum and minimum values, and the slope. The terrain profile can also compare between the base terrain and an elevation layer. To begin this tutorial, let's go over where the terrain profile tool can be accessed. To access the terrain profile, on the ribbon menu, click on the Analysis tab. Then in the Terrain Analysis group, select Terrain Profile. To create a terrain profile, once the Terrain Profile tool has been selected, the Terrain Profile dialog box is displayed. Next, enter the following parameters: Mode, Quality, Elevation Layer. Next, enter the following parameters: Mode, Quality, Elevation Layer. For the mode parameter, this consists of two options: Normal, which will display a profile only for the selected polyline, and Compare, which compares the selected polyline's profile to that of the specified elevation layer. For Quality parameter, this will determine the distance between sampling points along the polyline for which the terrain profile is being calculated. And for the last parameter, Elevation Layer, this will allow you to select the elevation layer that will be compared to the defined polyline. This parameter is only available if Compare is selected in the Mode field. Next, select one of the following methods to designate the polylines: Follow Line, select Group, and from Clipboard. The Follow Line method allows you to draw a line in the 3D window. For the Select a Group method, this will create a terrain profile for each created polylines in the selected group. And for the last method, from Clipboard, this will create a terrain profile from each polyline in the clipboard. Once designation of the polylines is complete, the terrain profile graph opens, displaying the terrain elevation profile. You can zoom in and out to view the extent of the data, display waypoints, min and max elevation and slope values by checking the box next to the required item on the top of the graph. You can export the terrain profile to a shapefile layer by click Export to Layer. One nice feature with the terrain profile is jumping to the corresponding locations on the terrain from the displayed graph. You can do so by clicking on the required location on the graph. We went over how to create terrain profiles in your project. This concludes the tutorial on terrain profile. For more information, refer to Chapter 14, Analysis tab of SIMmetry's User Manual. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for upcoming tutorials.